I can tell you why they're not buying. Your audience is not matching the right offer. Okay? You may get some sales. You may get lucky.
Yeah.
And that's cool and everything.
Yeah.
However,
this is a reality check, man.
You have to look at your target audience and realize, is that my target audience?
Right.
Because if I'm trying to make more sales and nobody's buying, maybe they're only going to buy something that's worth a few bucks and not a higher ticket offer.
Yes.
Right? It's just the type of traffic or the type of audience that you're attracting into your business.
Yes.
That's what we've learned. I mean, you got to think about it. I mean, like when I did some testing with different ads, I remember Google AdWords in the heyday, we went after all the network marketers, different companies and everything. And then we broke it down into like different areas of what books do they read, what kind of things are they into. So we started looking at their amount of income that they earn annually. So we really dove really deep into the audience and that specific individual through the customer avatar exercise and figured out like, who is this person? How much are they making a year? What kind of stuff do they read? So I know their mindset is in the right place. So when I'm ready to ask for the sale, they're more likely to invest because they've been reading things that connect to the things that we connect to as far as the same core values. Okay.
Yeah,
that's a big one.
I'm gonna chime in, Coach, on this one. So here's what, from my experience with closing high ticket sales, and I understand what you're trying to do, but I'm going to go in a different pivot in a different angle.
Yeah.
You can provide tools and training, and you don't need to have some kind of a built out funnel for this. You need to reserve that as content for your tribe. So the moment that you get serious players into your team, okay, and they're ready to roll their sleeves up and get to work and start marketing the same way like you, then you need to have that for your own Facebook group, or have like your own Telegram group that you could communicate with them and be able to create, different type of announcements and posts and things that's going to help them. Me, preferably, I would say do it on Facebook, because everybody's on Facebook right now these days. Most of your team members and buyers are going to come from Facebook. And so you want to keep them all together into a tribe, situation, and put them into your own, like, this is my name company Facebook group team, right? Like for me, we're part of an HBA group. And so we say, well, we are the HBA team group of Ace and Rich. And so what we do is we put together our group and we keep everybody together. And we also extend our palm out there to their team members to help them out. Why? Because we know that our new team members are not as experienced to do the training themselves. So we offer that also as a bonus help when they upgrade and go all in. So this is something you need to consider as, that's a smart way of doing it. Don't try to, baby everybody. Don't be Mother Goose. You can't Mother Goose everybody, man. I'm telling you, Chris, if you really formulate your team better than this and try to work on a closed unit, you'll have much better control than to sit there and go, oh, well, I need a page built and I have to create, the process and then have my own membership site. Then what the heck is your affiliate program for if they don't have their membership site put together, right? It's their responsibility that they had built that out together. And then you're the one that's supposed to take the pieces together and make sense of it all to translate it to your team members so that they could comprehend it. And that's where your Facebook group comes in.
Now
away from the main community.
We gave you a lot.
Oh, God, yeah.
And you guys probably, like, some of you guys.
I think Chris needs to book an appointment.
If you guys are brand new,
yeah,
and you listen to what we just said, I know you guys are probably going to be overwhelmed.